it's Chris 1 and 1, and it is still Lena 1 and 1. Today we're making a wine video, and my dad will take over. Chris 1 and 1, introverted the video.
So we've been filtering some wine today. As you see, this clean strawberry wine that I just did, it's super clean. The reason why I'm bringing that up is because I wanted to show you what the filter looks like. This Bon Vino Superjet is amazing. The filter is good. Again, I'm not getting paid for this, but I just wanted to show you what you could actually see. I'm gonna put a little bit closer. After the filtration, the wine comes out crisp, clean, amazing. Of course.
It kind of looks like honey, but it kind of looks like more like a honeycomb.
It looks like a honeycomb. That's correct. But it's amazing. So just wanted to share. Again, 1 and 1. Chris Chateau de Crispin. Thank you for following the journey.
And I will take over now. So if you like this video, let's see if you can give us a thumbs up in 5 seconds. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. If you did that, that's amazing. And we'll see you on another channel on Crispin 101 and Lena 101 making wine videos or a different one. Bye, guys. And especially adventure videos. But still, bye, guys.